Ayan guys, gustong gusto ko yung alak na to. Masarap din siyang inumin. May alcohol pero hindi naman ganun katindi, pero may tama siya. Ayan o. Naka-red tape ang pinaka-head ng bottle, long neck. Then ang pangalan niya is Joshua. Pero ang pangalan ng winery is Noah. Kakaiba. Yung nakalagay sa cork. Noah. And then, kaya ako to binili dahil sa kanilang marketing style dito sa likuran, naka-English. O, ayan nakalagay dito. Merlot. Noah Merlot Hills from the foothills of the Judean mountains, such as mountains south and east from Jerusalem near Beth Shemesh. This is silky wine. Feature forward fruit along with spices, aromas, vanilla, plum, and chocolate.